You know, I mean, he is incredible, isn't he? So, I mean, well, he's a great brand ambassador. I mean, I have. So was Amir. So was Amir. So was Mr. Bachchan. So would be, I mean, many other people. I mean, so I mean, it's outside. And the less, I mean, you can't sort of really praise Mr. Bachchan enough, can you? I mean, there's not much further that has not already been said that can be said about him. He's amazing and he's cultured. He understands culture. He understands India. He is very knowledgeable. He's not just a film actor, but quite a lot beyond that. So great. I mean,
I think none better than him. Nobody who represents art and cinema and culture in our country in the films as much as he's done. He's been doing it for so many years, and I think he's one of the perfect candidates for it. Yeah.
I think he's the perfect brand ambassador for our great country. He's a great man and a true icon, and I think he'd be most appropriate to represent incredible India.
नहीं, मैं यही कहना चाहूँगा कि many congratulations to him. I think उनकी जो personality है वो बहुत बड़ी है and it's perfectly apt for something like that. And he is a great brand ambassador for the country. I would think so.
Of course वो बहुत deserve करते हैं और उससे भी बहुत ज़्यादा deserve करते हैं.
So I'm happy. Whatever he does, I'm always with him. So I'm very happy. I mean, he's a legend. So I hope whatever the government decides, that will be right.
Very good. I mean, Bachchan Saab is the pride of India, और अगर वो ambassador है for Incredible India, it's lovely.
Super. हमारे इंडस्ट्री का ही अगर बहुत बड़ा स्टार अगर ब्रांड एम्बेसडर बनता है तो हमारे लिए गर्व की बात है.
Oh, very good. He's the right choice, and all of them are actually the right choices, and I'm sure he'll do great.
I think it's an apt ambassadorship. I think wasn't he the brand ambassador of Gujarat? Yes. So I think it's a natural progression, right? I think the government really likes him.
I congratulate him on this occasion. On this, इससे ज़्यादा भी even उनके लिए तो अमित जी के लिए तो ये add on हुआ है. Already he was कई उनके लिए उनके जो करियर में हासिल है, लेकिन ये ऐड करना अमित जी के लिए कोई नई बात नहीं है. And I congratulate him. All the best.
I am a huge fan of Mr. Bachchan. He knows that, I know that, everybody knows that. So I know that whatever he does, he will do with utmost grace and sincerity.
No one else, I think, can represent our country than the very living legend that we have, and that is Shri Amitabh Bachchan ji.
I think he's the right one. I mean, say he's great. I mean, say he should be given. He's an icon, and that'll be great to see him as Incredible India, representing Incredible India. Yeah.
He is definitely incredible and deserves to be whatever honor, whatever post he gets, he deserves it all. नहीं, मैं मिस्टर बच्चन से नहीं मिल पाया. Actually मैं अभी सीधा जाके perform करूँगा और फिर बैठूँगा.
For more news and gossip, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.